Before I got this car, I thought I was upgrading my life, but and don't get me wrong, like, it's a beautiful car, but nobody really talks about what comes with it though. The way people treat you changes, and it's not always in a good way. Some people start acting weird, almost like they feel intimidated by you or something. Like, on top of that, you can't even move the same anymore. Like with my Honda, I could park anywhere and not think about it twice. But with this Benz, oh, I gotta think about where I park, if it's gated, like if somebody's watching my car, all that. I'm not just leaving my car anywhere like that I can't see. It's like, yeah, you upgrade, but you gotta move different.
The cons of having a luxury vehicle, my insurance ain't that high, but it be people, they be staring at me, y'all, in my Benz truck. Like one guy, I'm in the Kroger parking lot now, like he stared me down. George ain't even get it out the vehicle yet. I'm like, damn, can I have my face back? Cause what? Like he like staring at me, even in traffic sometime. I look to the left, right. Supposed to be like, I know her young ass ain't got no Benz and do. Like, supposed to be shocked for sure. Look how this sweat on me, y'all. But yeah, supposed to be shocked for sure.
Bro, I swear I cannot make this up. Bro, I just bought the car today, fool. Like, I can't make this up, bro. I cannot win for losing. I don't give what I do. Like, that's crazy.
Imagine finally buying the luxury car you always wanted and then realizing you actually regret it. A lot of people are saying the excitement of owning a luxury car doesn't always last. The payments can be expensive, insurance can be higher, and then there's maintenance, repairs, tires, and all those little costs that start adding up. And let's not forget depreciation. That beautiful car you paid so much for can lose thousands of dollars in value pretty quickly. Sometimes people realize they weren't really paying for the car, they were paying for the lifestyle that came with it. So is owning a luxury car worth it, or would you rather have a reliable car that keep money in your pockets? Now let's take a listen to the videos, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Now let's get into the videos.
I'm literally pulled over right now because my heart is pounding, because my Mercedes believes that it knows more about driving than I do, and to be safe, for the third time this week, it slammed on my brakes for me, flinging me forward, making this awful noise as it applied the brake when nothing was there. Nothing. This car is the worst car I've ever had in my entire life. The worst car I've ever had. Brand new Mercedes. And it legitimately is the worst car to drive, to have. I don't know what to do. I don't know how to make it stop. But the feeling that you get when you think you have backed into something and your car just stops in the middle of the road because it sensed something. I'm shaking. So at this point, I don't know. I just want them to take it away, and I want to own this was my dream car. My dream car was a Mercedes Benz, and I got my Mercedes last year. I bought it brand new, outright. So proud of myself. I hate that it makes driving awful. Just to want someone to give me back my old car or any other car that isn't going to traumatize me. If anyone has any advice, let me know. I'm sure this must be a feature I can turn off, but seeing as how I can't plug in my phone and make that work because it never says it's connected, every time I say, hello Mercedes, it talks and then says it cannot do the function at all, or it doesn't do it at all, and it says it could self-park. Do you know where it self-parks?
I'm sorry, can you say that again, please?
No, I'm not going to say anything because you won't do it. The only place it'll self-park is in the middle of the road. Yeah, you should try it. So, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry, but I can't help you with that right now.
Don't. I am so over it at this point. That's just my public service announcement.
Okay, so let me put y'all on real quick. So back during the pandemic, whatever you want to call it, I bought not only one, but two motherfucking high-end luxury cars. I got a BMW and a Range Rover. And looking back, I could really slap the fuck out of myself if I'm just being honest. Not because I couldn't afford it then or now, but because I'm no longer trying to keep up with chasing a look. You feel me? I really wasn't thinking long term when I bought these dumb investments. I'ma just be honest with you. It's really nothing cute about being stuck with 2 high-end ass car notes. I promise you that. Especially when it's a depreciating asset. But forget the situation. Here's the lesson. If you're going to get a higher end car, lease it. Do not finance it for 6 to 7 years just to be stuck in a car note that you no longer really want. Then you can't sell it without taking a hit. Because this is the thing. When I bought my cars, y'all know everything was overpriced during motherfucking pandemic. So not only am I in a hole with 2 vehicles, you get what I'm saying? It's just like they're not even worth it for what I'm paying on them. They really don't hold their value. Like, they lost their value so motherfucking quick. It's crazy. I mean, unless you got money and you just like, fuck it, you don't care, and you just want to, you know what I'm saying, blow your money on a vehicle, do you by any means. But for me, I feel like if I would have leased my cars, leasing would have gave me a way better out. You get what I'm saying? Because I would still be whatever I want to be in, and it would be brand new. I'm 30 now, so clearly my goals just look different for myself, if I'm just being honest with you all. I don't really care about people seeing me look wealthy. I want to be wealthy. Real assets, real money in the bank, real investments, all that good shit. If you're watching this and you're thinking about getting a luxury car, just pause for a moment. I'm not here to kind of like push you away from what you want to do. I'm here to just simply give you a better understanding of where you should put your money or how to utilize your money when purchasing a brand new high-end luxury car, so you don't feel like how I feel. Always remember, fix your credit first and make sure your money is always working for you. If you need help fixing your credit, I got you. That's my lane. I've been doing that. Give me the word credit and let's get your profile looking all the way together. Honestly, I made the mistake so y'all don't have to.
I'ma tell you, one car you better think twice about buying. I don't care how much money you make. Don't let that luxury badge fool you. I bought a Mercedes Benz. And don't get me wrong, I'm thankful I got to experience it. But would I ever buy another one? Absolutely not. My oil changes went from $50 to $250. And then I took my car in one day for what I thought was regular maintenance. Baby, I walked in there expecting a normal bill, $200-$300, $3,000. $3,000. I'm looking at the man like, what? Sir, is this a prank? And the crazy part is, I really didn't have many problems with the car. But when it started running hot, I got to calling around, see where I could bring it in and get the price. And baby, those prices were all I needed to hear. I got rid of the Mercedes the same day and went and got me a Charger. But listen, to each his own. If you want to try it, try it. But don't buy one just for the image. Everybody wants the luxury until it's time to pay luxury maintenance, honey. It's a never again for me.
The cons of having a luxury vehicle, my insurance ain't that high, but it be people, they be staring at me, y'all, in my Benz truck. Like, one guy, I'm in the Kroger parking lot now, like, he stared me down. Jojo ain't even get it out the vehicle yet. I'm like, damn, can I have my face back? Cause what? Like, he like staring at me, even in traffic sometime. I look to the left, right, supposed to be like, I know her young ass ain't got no Benz and do. Like, supposed to be shocked for sure. Look how this sweat on me, y'all. But yeah, supposed to be shocked for sure.
Bro, I swear I cannot make this up. Bro, I just bought the car today, fool. Like, I can't make this up, bro. I cannot win from losing. I don't give what I do. Like, that's crazy.
The best advice I could ever offer anybody: never get a luxury car. I don't care how much money you get, do not get a luxury car. Stay away from them. Because I done had to replace the transmission when I first got the car, and now they telling me something wrong with my transmission again, I gotta get it replaced. No, I'm not about to put no more money into that. Please don't get no luxury in car. Them motherfuckers are expensive. You have to keep putting money into it. I don't care how much money you got. I don't care if I was the richest person in the world, I never would buy a luxury in car. Just to save myself the time and the money and the headache. Do not do it. That's the best advice I give you. Because now I got to get rid of this car. I'm about to trade my car out. Whatever. Like, yeah. Do not.
Every time I post a talking video in my car, I always get a bunch of comments that are like, okay, off topic, what kind of car is that? I love it. Don't ever buy a BMW or a luxury vehicle at that if you cannot afford the maintenance. That's usually what they tell you, and they were onto something. I've had this car for 3 years. It has 62,595 miles. I'm $10,000 deep in maintenance repairs just this year. And I think I got to do something with the brakes because I feel like they're not working. So don't get this car. Like, it's nice and all on the inside, but the inside mechanics,
So my car is a Mercedes, right? Convertible. I bought it about like a year ago. And the headaches that a Mercedes gives is terrible. Terrible. And the pricing of everything is out the roof. Thank God that my family owns a mechanic shop. So a lot of the times my brothers and my dad can fix it. But there's just things that Mercedes does that most of the time you gotta go to them, because it's like the headache of their cars. So if you have this itch that you want to get a Mercedes, I want to get a Mercedes, don't do it. Don't do it, please. It's not worth it. I'm in my grandpa's car, and let me tell you, este carrito, este little hoopty, this hoopty is way better than my Mercedes. I love it and I hate my Mercedes. I love and hate my Mercedes. But if I were to be, like thinking again, damn, what would I do next? I will get myself a little Honda again. 100%. Economical. If I need to fix it, my family can fix it like this. Not a European car. I love that. I love Europe and all that stuff, but not the cars. Not Mercedes. Don't do it. If you're thinking of buying it, don't do it.
Would you buy a luxury car? Do you already own one? And if you do you think it's actually worth the cost? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Take care, and I'll see you in the next one.